All jerseys matter. Got some new records. Classic, super duper classic. Street Disciple. This was NAS' double album. One and only. Double CD. A lot of people slept on this album, but this was a great album. Trust me. 2004 this came out. Classic album. I ordered this from Discogs. That's what I paid for it. Plus the shipping. Came like $90 altogether. Tax, shipping. Yes, he's the GOAT. My favorite rapper out of everybody. The GOAT of all GOATs is NAS. Nasty NAS, Escobar, Esco, Nasty, or just plain on NAS. Whatever you want to call him. Just know he's the GOAT. The artist. Yeah, I needed this. I'm missing one vinyl now. Just one. I got NAS' whole collection. Let's open this up. Yeah.